I am Daisuke from Adult Ballet Wales. I am an ex-professional ballet dancer and a qualified ballet teacher, and I am going to be a ballet coach for this program. Now, let's crack on! Welcome to Daisuke's 3-minute ballet lesson. In my series, we will cover everything from position of the feet to bar movement. Today, we are going to learn Batman Tandu exercise. Tandu means to stretch. In this exercise, we focus on stretching our toes, ankles, knees, and hip. To do this exercise, it's very important to know pre-exercise. So if you haven't checked the pre-exercise, check it out. We start with the first position. We are going to bring arms to the side, to the second position. We are going to do 3 Batman Tandu, which is the point to the front. We do point and in, point and in, point and in. 1, 2, 3, end. We're going to repeat exactly the same to the side. Side and in, side and in. Side and in, back, stretch, back as well, and in, 3 times, and in, and 3, and stretch, to the side, and in, make sure you use the floor nicely, in, push the toe, in, and 3, and stretch, bring us down. Smile. Now, you got this. Common mistake in Batman Tandu is to relax our knees. So make sure, doesn't matter front, side or back, when you release leg, both knees need to be nice and straight. Okay? One of the common mistakes to start to relax the knee, and as you bring, relax the knee as well. So I really need you to keep the both knees nice and straight. So as you release, really use the feet and the floor and knees straight. As you bring it in, same thing. Use the floor and keep the knees nice and straight. Whoa, that was bendigenic! Now you're ready for the next challenge. Remember to click the link above, and if you liked it, give me the thumbs up. Remember to subscribe my channel